Hi! Are you still managing your business screen with a conventional USB stick? Managing these screens around your business is challenging, especially if you have one to multiple screens. Yes, you can mount a PC to your TV or load images from a USB stick. But how are you managing your contents? How do you ensure that you are displaying what you need? How are you updating content in each and every screen in different locations? With Blupepper, we've got you covered. It's easy. Just plug in our player to your screen, connect it to the internet, log into Blupepper, and you are ready to go. You now have access and control to all of your screens 24/7. Blupepper is a digital signage system that offers smart and intuitive, easy-to-use cloud-based content management. From one location, it can easily manage anything from a single menu board to a full corporate-scale ad campaign. Customize your display with multiple types of media, such as videos, music, live weather, social medias, and schedule them to appear days, weeks, or even months in advance. Blupepper keeps reports on your screen activities, and you can generate reports on demand that can be a useful resource for your advertisers if needed. Blupepper is designed to help you manage from one to many screens easily without having any special knowledge. Anyone can easily take care of all the aspects of content distribution. But if you need help, our experienced support team is always readily available. Take control of your screens now. Contact us today.